Okay, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a new toy I picked up. I apologize, there might be some wind noise. To get the right shot, the camera's got to be just outside the garage door, and I don't have a new mic yet. I've got one ordered, one of the lapel mics, so hopefully that will help things out, but it's not in yet. So anyway, what are we unboxing today? Let's have a look. Alright. This is the prize for today. It's the new Harbor Freight BAUER branded portable deep cut bandsaw kit. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my head off here for a little bit so that you can see what's in the box this time. Cut this off. Away. Let's see what we've got. Nice case. Alright. It's all wrapped in plastic. The actual bandsaw unit. Got double bearings on each side for the guide. Not too bad. Also in the box, got a blade and the instruction manual tucked away down in there with, as usual for Harbor Freight, one nice thing, they always include a spare set of brushes. Never had to use them yet, but they're always in there. Latched into place. Get your tensioning lever. It's just a lock, unlock type. Blade. This is way back. Not sure I like that. I might move that forward. So I touched moving this plate forward a little bit. Didn't like it being back so far from the actual blade. Picked this up at the parking lot sale for $99. Hopefully it is worth the purchase. Might be a little better than trying to cut through everything with 4-inch grinder and cutoff wheels. You go through a lot of cutoff wheels that way. Alright, so now the guide bar is up pretty much where they show it in the photos in the manual. Alright, it's plugged in, let's see if it works. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and run it in a little bit, let those brushes seat since it's obviously new and they don't break them in at the factory. So I'm just going to seat the brushes a little bit and then we'll get to testing it on some metal. Alright, so this piece of scrap is about a 1/4 inch. Let's see what happens with that. Alright, and this is, just to be clear, this is with the included blade. This is the blade that was included with the unit from Harbor Freight. Get to focus in. Not too bad. Made pretty quick and easy work with it. It's not hot like when you use a cutting disc. Alright, now I got a piece that's I don't know if you can see that in this lighting, but it's 3/8. That is so nice. Let's step it up again. This piece is 5/8. Fan-friggin-tastic. This is the first one where I was cutting at an angle, and this is the one where I was cutting more straight down. First impression is it's definitely worth it. It saves so much time and effort. It's not as loud, it's not as messy, there's no hot sparks flying everywhere. You're not chewing through cutting discs. I mean, trying to cut this with cutting discs, 5/8, I was dreading that task. So for this one, guys, that's gonna be it. Don't forget, if you like the videos, go ahead and let's see, it's over here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.